So this is a beautiful old reishi. It's probably 2, maybe 3 years old. Oh, it's actually not that old. It sounds younger, actually. Oh yeah. Now I'm taking some tree out of here, which I'm gonna have to chisel away. Yeah, look at the size. It's a good size reishi. And this is all of his dead tree, so you don't have to worry that I'm killing the tree. The tree's dead. And I believe they come off of hemlocks, dead hemlock. And I've learned after 2 cuts today that I'm going to cut away or chop away from my body. That's a really lovely reishi. Yeah, I'll clean that up later. It's quite nice.